So we got to the courthouse to interview the parents who had been separated from their children. There were 17 of them today, and as soon as we walked in, we learned that the prosecutors had decided not to pursue criminal charges against these 17 parents, and only the parents. So there were 59 or 60 others, and all of those had their charges for illegal entry, entered and pursued, and they were convicted. They entered a plea agreement, but the 17 that had been traveling with children had their cases dismissed, or the charges were not filed.
Yeah.
So they're treating those who had children differently. It means they don't have a criminal record because they don't have the conviction of illegal entry on their record. Now they went back to immigration detention. There was a misconception that they had been released. That is not true. They're still detained by Border Patrol. They were all detained Monday or Tuesday. Their children were separated from them Monday or Tuesday. So as far as we can tell, their children are already with ORR and they haven't seen them in 2 or 3 days. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. One of our concerns is that if they're not going to criminally prosecute the parents, we won't be able to interview them. They won't be bringing them to court. Maybe the government doesn't want their stories getting out. It's unclear. I saw statements from the DOJ officials today that this is temporary because ICE doesn't have enough room in their facilities to keep the children while the parents are taken to court. So it's very unclear and quickly moving, but we're going to be there in court tomorrow morning to follow up.